Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Journey and I will be showing you how to replace headlight light bulb. So I will show you how to replace low beam bulb, high beam bulb and turn signal light bulb. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so I will show you everything here on the passenger side just because it's gonna be easier to record, because the access to all of the bulbs is easier. Okay, so first right here you will have a turn signal light bulb, the upper one. Then the lower one here, this is your high beam light bulb, and then just down there, that's your low beam light bulb, and all of them are quite easy to remove and replace on the passenger side. Okay, I will show you first the turn signal light bulb. So all you have to do, you have to turn this socket counterclockwise, right, and pull it out. Okay, and here is the light bulb. Now to replace the light bulb, there is no turning or anything, you just pull it straight out and install the new bulb the same way. Put it in and then just turn that socket, lock it back in place, right? It's very easy to do. That's it. High beam light bulb, it's the same thing, you just want to turn this socket, right, and pull the bulb out. That's everything you have to do. And then when you're installing the new bulb, you see you just want to disconnect it here. You want to lift these tabs up and pull off the bulb of the connector, and then just plug in the new bulb and insert it back into this opening and turn it clockwise, and that should be it. Done. And the last one to remove will be same thing. It's a bit harder to access it, but it's doable. You just want to again turn this socket counterclockwise and pull the bulb out. Okay. There's a bunch of wires there, but you see it's right here, and then it's everything the same like with the high beam. You just have to disconnect it here and plug in the new bulb, right? Okay, I'm gonna bring it up here. You see, leave these black tabs, pull off the bulb, insert the new bulb to the connector and put it back into the housing, and that's it. Okay, so now I've shown you on the passenger side because it's much easier to do and to record. Now the driver's side, it's nothing too hard. There's just a bit less space to work. So turn signal light bulb is right here, very easy to access, and the high beam light bulb, same thing, you just squeeze your hand in there and turn it. It's not too hard. Only problem is the low beam, which will be just down there. I hope you can see it. So it's just here through this opening. You can try to zoom in a bit. You should see it through here. Okay, I can't really even record it. Anyways, you should be able to do it by squeezing your hand, your two fingers, just through this opening. So right now I have two fingers on the bulb, on the socket actually, and it just has to be turned and pulled out. Now it's not too easy to do, and these things could get kind of stuck. If that happens to you, then you will have to unfortunately disassemble this part, try to move it or something, so you can get more space here, right, to do it. But it's definitely doable. I had to do it once in the past, took me like 10 minutes to be able to turn that socket. If you have somebody with smaller hands that can help you, that's definitely a bonus, right? You can just then that person can just squeeze your hand, maybe the whole hand, and turn the socket. But that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.